Hello, it's Andrew from Fine & Country and welcome to Trefursdon, an exceptional and beautiful home located in an accessible but quiet location. And today we're going to explore all the features of this wonderful house and its 2-bedroom detached holiday let. So let's go and have a look and see what it's got to offer. So welcome inside the property, and we enter into this lovely dining space. Its formality being big enough to fit a table to comfortably seat 8 people has a lovely slate floor and a wealth of character. What I love is this standout feature fireplace with its tiled inset, cast iron and wooden surround. And from here, through this door, we go into the splendid UPVC double glazed conservatory. And what I love about this room, you can enjoy a panoramic aspect of the colourful rear garden. The attention to detail is quite significant with slate sills, you've got a tiled floor, solid roof and also a fan as well. Perfect for relaxation 12 months of the year. And on a cold winter's day, there's nothing better than sitting in this room, the primary reception space. Again, it's dual aspect. It's got lovely carpet underneath, giving that warmth feeling. And what about this? A beautiful fireplace, floor to ceiling, got a clome oven, and also a striking granite lintel. Now they say the kitchen is the heart of every home. And in this property, that is definitely the case. As you can see, we've got a beautiful kitchen, farmhouse style. And I like the fact you've got a centre island here, solid granite, so it's ideal for the keen cook. There's a multitude of appliances and also a space here within this fire surround for a large stove. This one, it's an Everhot, is available by separate negotiation. In addition to that, for day-to-day convenience, there's a Samsung electric oven with an induction hob and also a dishwasher. You'll notice again, we have solid wood worktops. There's a Belfast style sink with mixer taps, giving that traditional feel. And there's space for day-to-day dining in a sociable and interactive environment. We also have a large Arga branded premium American style fridge and freezer. From here, with ease, you can fling open the double UPVC doors and you're straight out into the garden. We also have a useful utility room with a continuation of the wood effect flooring, and concluding the ground floor space is a shower room WC for extra convenience. The first floor has 2 staircases ascending to it. You join us here in the main bedroom, which has a good range of fitted built-in wardrobes and cupboards, and it's got a lovely south-facing aspect, receiving lots of natural light. There is also a fully tiled ensuite shower room WC with a double shower cubicle. All of the bedrooms are large enough to accommodate a double bed. Here we are in bedroom number 4, where you've got a view of both the front, but also a lovely view towards open farmland. Our vendors have taken a good deal of care in improving this property significantly during their time of ownership. One of the key adjustments made is the creation of this Jack and Jill shower room. It's pristine, and in the heart of the room is the large shower cubicle and also high quality sanitary ware. And it flows through into bedroom number 3, which can be a twin or a large double bedroom depending upon your preference. With the creation of the Jack and Jill shower room, We've by definition created 2 bedrooms that have their own private facilities. These bedrooms have also been furnished in a way that they can accommodate, if required, bed and breakfast residents on a regular basis, ensuring there is a fine balance between your own home and having the benefit of guests creating a derivative of income. So here we are now outside, and we've got a lovely garden space. This area here is level and it's also perfectly balanced with lawn, plenty of areas to sit and enjoy during the summer months. And in this area, as you'll see on my right hand side, there's a lovely productive area, perfect for growing fresh produce with vegetables and soft fruits. And here we are towards the bottom of the garden, and there's a lovely man-made pond there with a weeping willow above it. We've got a selection of mature fruit trees to include apple, pear and plum. So the grounds in total amount to some 1.3 acres and really do offer a fantastic lifestyle of great appeal. And behind me here we have Blackberry Cottage. This is a single story, 2-bedroom holiday let which comfortably seats 4. And as you can tell, it's got its own totally private curtilage, providing holiday tenants with their own enclosed definitive area. So like any good holiday cottage, you have open plan space. And this is a great example of that, being triple aspect with areas for relaxing, by the fire, dining or preparing a meal. This room does very much have it all. Blackberry Cottage is comfortably able to accommodate 4 adults. Within the property, there is a family bathroom WC with a separate shower cubicle. So you've seen all the components of this beautiful home. If this is a lifestyle that appeals to you, then please don't delay. Contact Fine & Country today on 01566 771919. We'd love to tell you more. Thank you.